This is the computer class of Sri Ganesh High School. And here is the established approx 30 computers. And every day provided each and every students approx 1 hours for the computer learning. And every student sitting in front of the monitors and use the software like the MS Office and use MS Word, MS Excel, and PowerPoint, and sometimes use the games. And students very enjoy in the that class. And every day after lunch, I think 20 students came in this classroom and sitting here very peacefully and very calmly and very disciplined way. And he is starting the money system like the proper way, starting the system. First we switch on, and then after the UPS on, and then CPU on, and then after the monitor on, and proper way starting the system. And whenever starting the whenever come out the desktop and proper way icon and proper way uh, that is the system. So he used the starting start button and use the MS Office, open the MS Office and click the button, and then starting the MS Office and use some letters typing in a proper way, like the bold, italic, and sometimes use the fonts, change fonts, and sometimes use the underline and paragraph changing and justifying, and make a table in table the like the result sheet, and so many row and columns using the words. And other platform is the MS Excel, and use the MS Excel in the proper way, make a result sheet like the results in the serial number, name of a students, and then subject, choose the like the Hindi, English, math, social science, and Sanskrit, and five subjects is used. And each and every student given the number, and like the 60 to 80 numbers given the students. And in last column use the totaling marks, and next column totaling the total percentage of the marks, and in bottom line use the giving the ranking of students. So mention in the this type of the work and work done in every day. He had the they have the used formula, and they have used the cursor, and they have used the mouse, and they have used the keyboard, and come out the result and showing the how can use proper way monitor and system, and then after the use the printer, how can use the printer. So use everyday familiar the each and every students, and different type of formula used in the Excel sheet. And after that use the um, PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, make a presentation given by the teacher. Which type of the you make a presentation, like the school presentation in come out the incoming 26th January Independence Day. So make a presentation like 2 and 3 slides. First slide introduction of schools, and second introduction of the youth and himself, and then after use the school infrastructure. So these are the items making the PowerPoints. And this is the learning process. And he has learned how can make the open the page, and how can make use the diagram, use the different logo, and modify the change, modify the character and sentences, and use the tools. So these are the items tool in the use in so many platforms like the Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And after that he used the networking. Net, that means the internet use family for in future, because how can use the email, and in future correspondence through the email, like the sending the message, sending the letter, and receive the letter. So formatting, alignment, and how can create a letter like the starting to sir, and different in last paragraph and thanking. So use email. So four types of everyday learned by the system in computer classroom, like the MS Office, MS Excel, PowerPoint, and internet browsing. And after that leisure period, he get the leisure period, and he they have used the game, and every day play a little bit time like the 10 to 15 minutes, use the gaming period, use the because the gaming also include in the whole system. Whenever you puzzle from the work and then use the gaming software, because your mind refresh and you have feeling better, because you have exhausted from the working like the 1 to 2 hours. So same thing in a student feeling in 45 to 1 hours for the class computer classes, because computer classes before the starting the practical, and he has a they have the learning for some theories like how can use the word formula and Excel formula and commands like the copy command, cut paste, and so many things. So they have the very exhausted. So after 1 hours, they have the using the system, and after that he playing for the 10 to 15 minutes for the gaming time. So very systematically done, and I hope all students wishes to given to wish to after 1 week. So he have the very prominent, and he have the very knowledgeable of about the computer system, and familiar with the tools, and like the monitor, mouse, and keyboard, and printer, and UPS, and CPU. And these are the necessary items of the computer accessories. And you have not unknown about this. So wish to you and thank you. In future, use the own life and own career in future, make a career for the computer line, and you will make a software engineer, you will make a data analysis, and you will make a software engineer. So firstly you take a step for the how can familiar with the computer, and how can initial stage is, use the computer, and how can you proper way shut down, close, and starting and window start, and then after that you have shut down, restart. So these are the initial stage for the every students, because here the students completely raw, not knowing about the how can use the mouse and how can use the keyboard, and what will be come out on monitor, and how can operate the printer. So these are things about the computer system, and about the computer classes, and so many hopefully. And I hope all students, all learners, and all computer students, especially for this schools students. Okay, thank you.